Now we'll take a look at this inner structure here. Sorry about this light. You can see how cancered that is. I'm just gonna, so right up in here, this is completely, I guess when the new rockers went on, it was supposed to attach to this, but pretty hard to do that when their fenders bolted onto the car. See this big chunk flapping out there? And then that's where the inner brace for the fender is supposed to bolt on. And then you can see the holes through to the other side. So just stick. You can see this inner structure here. I'm gonna put the light up in here. Okay, so this, where my fingers are sticking through, that should be solid. And I haven't even really poked at it too much yet. I mean, it's solid above here, but this is the area where that fender brace bolts on. So all of this from here down around to here and up into this area all has to be rebuilt. And the trouble is, what happens is, because this is open, dirt from the wheels flying up in there, and all this junk was inside the front of the rocker. I don't know how far back it is gone. And all this stuff came out of there. And this kind of belt stuff was in there too. I pulled that out.